What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel and another installment of the Lunchtime review with yours truly, the one and only Mr. Bushgod himself. And today I have no idea what we're going to be reviewing. I am super fucking starving though, but right now it's hope you guys can see that, 1:53, 7 minutes to the hour of 2 o'clock, but we are getting lunch at 2:30. I just decided to film this intro earlier than usual because we have the little time that can spare right now. But I'll see you guys in the next half an hour, I guess, to explore where we're going to eat food today. It's as much as a surprise as you as it is for me right now. So I will see you guys in a minute. Good afternoon. How much is your patty?
300.
What type?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin patty alone?
Then one finish.
What kind of other one in our one, sir?
Lentil, vegetable.
Pumpkin patty. Alright, we'll try one. Brown egg. What kind of patty do you miss? What kind of? Chicken and beef? Aye. So 300? Yes, guys, so we got our beef patty. This beef patty is from Mixna, homemade beef patty. As you can see, the crust isn't exactly like juicy beef type quality, but you know, it's still yellow, kind of butterish kind of crust that we got right here, you know. The shell is thick, but you know, get into that a bit later. Just showing you how the patty looks for now. And then we have our vegan patty. This is our pumpkin patty, you know. As you can see, the crust of the patty is a bit different. It's, well, more curry-like, you know. But I am curious to dig in to see how well this pumpkin patty tastes. I haven't had pumpkin patty before. But judging from what it looks like, I mean, it does look delectable. Less the beef one. I think the pumpkin one looks a bit more appetizing than the beef, you know. So as you guys can see right here, you know, this is laid down with very thick flour. Yeah. So without further ado, let's just jump right into them because there's not much. You can't smell anything. They are warm. You know. Can't smell anything much from it. And yeah, that's just basically it. So we will start off with the pumpkin patty from the vegan restaurant. So well, people, I was expecting to be tasting a whole lot more flour. Expecting to be tasting a whole lot more flour while consuming this, you know. But yeah, the crust is very light and thin, you know. Crust light, thin and some say. Literally not taste no flour in it, you know. Have a little bit of crunch up at the top, as you can see. Hear that? So the filling. So, like what I tasted right now, it's very spicy, pumpkiny, and properly seasoned, you know. I've never had pumpkin patty before, and I did not think that people could make pumpkin with patty, or make patty out of pumpkin. Yeah, patty out of pumpkin. Tasting the pumpkin, tastes like pumpkin. I could tell that they use a whole lot of dried spices in there, dried herbs, you know. Seasoning, like the seasoning is abundant because everybody knows how pumpkin kind of have this overwhelming, bland kind of taste, you know. But salt, pepper, the herbs, spices, especially the spices because it is kind of spicy, you know. But yeah, cause look at that, people. I don't know if you can make any of those little fine ass details that you're seeing on the screen, you know, all little herbs and dried spices and such. It's all mixed up in there and it's not runny or watery, you know, which is a plus in my book. And like, even though it's a pumpkin patty, the pumpkin does not taste like overwhelming, you know, like it's too much. It's quite savory, to be honest, you know. I really like this. Not think I'll be enjoying pumpkin patty like this. But yeah, pumpkin is very soft. I don't feel any kind of hard kind of thing where my teeth is like slicing through clumps of the pumpkin. It's boiled, it's mashed, it's seasoned properly with some spices, The crust is not thick and floury, you know. There's a little bit of crunch in there, but you can I'll call this more of a bread kind of crunch, you know. And so that they use wheat flour. I assume they put some kind of turmeric in there. You can see the color of the crust, yellow right in there. Real good. Show you again. Don't know if y'all can see some of the seasonings that are in there. With this there, a whole lot of seasoning. Onions, scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, dried spices, dried herbs, the pumpkin, some tomato is in there as well because I tasted the tomato. It's really good. Really good. I hope you guys are getting entertained by the people that are behind me talking shit, you know. But yeah man, I really find this pumpkin patty enjoyable. First time trying this. Second time going to the vegan restaurant. And so far, they haven't disappointed, you know. I think that the reason why they did not have, well, the reason why they did have pumpkin patties available is that nobody knows how actually good the pumpkin patty is, because when she told me about like pumpkin patties and such, I was thinking like pumpkin patties. I was a bit skeptical on how it would taste, you know, but we needed to taste it, and yeah, here we are. I actually love it. $300 healthy patty, homemade eating. Wow man, this tastes really good. Really, really good. Alright, so pumpkin patty are gone. Save none. From the crust to the filling, or they season the filling. Spices that are in there are not overwhelming. I don't taste any uncooked flour. The crust itself doesn't taste like flour. So for a patty, a pumpkin patty, which is very creative in my kind of eyes, I'll give this patty a 8.5 out of 10, you know. And the reason, as I said, nobody can get a solid 10 on my channel. You must be completely like on some next shit kind of level, brother, if you impress me to get a 10. But the reason why is that, you know, the patty should have bigger. So minus 0.5 points because the patty not bigger, you know. And here we have Nick Snacks flat patty. It's white, no bumbo clot, brother. It's a patty a white, dog. I am having should I say, very, very low expectations for this patty right now, you know. Crisscross, just like how you see a normal typical juicy beef patty. They have a whole lot of stray white flour all over this thing, right? I say, isn't it? So you have that to look forward to. The crust looks extremely thick, not as flaky as how the normal typical juicy beef patties that you're used to, or mother's patty or whatever. And just the flour that's all over the crust of the patty that kind of turns me off, you know. It kind of throws it off to give this kind of white, cheapish kind of a look to it, but at the same time, you know, say it's homemade, but I guess that the taste is the real thing. So just gonna jump right in and now and take a first bite, isn't it? Alright, you can start off with the crust. Take a bite tonight. You can see the filling is very thick. It's not watery like how you get in juicy beef patties, you know. But just to squeeze out a little bit, make you see it. Oh shit, some drop. But yeah, just to show you. Tasting the filling. Yes, brother. There, brother. So, tasting the filling. It's kind of bland, you know, and like the patty crust could have used some more work, to be honest. And the bag of flour the man them have put on it, it just threw me off, you know. Like, although one bite me take out of the patty with the filling in it still, but Jano. Yeah man, the filling of bland, brother. Like, I think I'm gonna eat no more of this. But filling is very bland, you know. The only thing I can taste are the beef flavor and a whole heap of pepper, brother. And me no understand, like, if you make some homemade beef patty with juicy beef, me understand say kinda it is a bit different, you know. For them think more bigger and them probably have more resources to more synthetic kind of stuff, you know. But when you got Nick Snacks and you know it's a small startup and them make them own homemade beef patties, me expect beef, brother, like, you know, like minced beef, you know. If it tastes like minced beef and seasoned like minced beef, you know. And this is very disappointing, to be honest, you know. I haven't had Nick Snacks patties in quite some years now, and I kind of remember why it jogged my memory as to why I stopped eating it, you know. Bland crust, the crust are sweet, to be honest. The crust tastes sweet, you know. And the filling is a no-no for me. I don't even want no more of this patty to eat right now. So Nick Snacks patty would I give that a solid 3 out of 10, brother, you know. The only reason why I get so much is because it kind of look like a patty, but just with a whole heap of flour on it. So as people, 3 out of 10. And the veggie patty from that vegan restaurant, yeah, pumpkin patty, never had that before. Now that it's not if you take a few pointers from them people if you have to season and filling, brother. God, that shit was delicious. So oh shit. Yes, thank you guys for watching me throw down on a few patties on our little lunchtime reviews, and I hope you know my little thing, my little money spending help you to spend wise as well during your lunchtime. And big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and please subscribe.
I like the people, like someone like that, you know.
I know.
With them tights, with them catches some.
And I entice you, brother. Yeah, look, man.
No.
So, how that entice you?
Funny enough, no. When they're traveling, the tights, when they catch it, they know your country. All of that people mark and signal will come to them.
People mark?
Then tights.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to ring.
People mark, okay?
People like that, will
People mark?
Then if you're probably in the night, something dry.
Rochelle, mind that happen to you, you know?
No.
Mind that happen to you?
No.
Or some of your skittles for them?
No. That never happened to me yet.
Or what your skittles for them?
Yeah, just
You have on a panty now.
Okay, hear me I say, brother. Hear me I say, okay. A good woman I know say, yo. Rochelle, stop looking at my face. A good woman I know say, yo. You know I go. Move no man nobody know I say over face, brother. A good woman I know say you know for wear certain things on road. You know say panties a must.
Right.
When time you pee, you dry your poops. You see what I say? And if you know say you're sweaty and all of that, you're not gonna wear a tights we are gonna reveal in where you know if that section they get dark it or show.
How much of them out the road now if you try and see out the road now drawers and them tights? Enough of them.
Yes, but some of them, enough of them are no good girl neither.
And that's why she said
Enough of them are skittle.
That's why I asked her the question. She's a man. How that for entice you?
No, enough of Rochelle friend them are skittle.
That's why I'm not a friend. I don't keep friends.
You see next time I see you around them, I will record. That me
I
will do.
don't keep friends.
So next time I see she and
Yeah
them.
man, me pop out the iPhone man and hit record man and come round and come show you.
Yes, and out there with them and them are denying.
You skittle friend, if you hear them, Rochelle. How we dey?
One fat girl.
You never look on her, brother.
One of them not
But you dey over park, I in some conversation with them about man and how man have to pay for this and that and
me.
how them now have to work hard, good. Yeah man, yes brother. I say go look on them ugly girl.
You know what I like?
What you don't like Rochelle?
But them over there.
I never remember.
Voice your opinion, no, brother, we are listening to you.
I never remember nothing like that, brother.
So what don't you like?
It's the first one, the first one.
What don't you like, Rochelle?
You have some people.
Smell
What?
how?
You're not feet and this
Smell
smell so.
I smell something, I smell familiar.
I could just make the breeze blowing. If you turn up on the face, and sit down on the something.
Yeah, that's what
Your
I
boot your boot up the true.
Your foot smell so liam.
Thank God I'm not smell my shoes again.
And your backside still a smell.
You lie move.
Okay.
Me not laugh.
Go down my man here, go throw bleach on your foot.
Don't tell no lie, Tom.
What is Jamaica? Jamaica?
No, me I say when you get lunch.
No, new shoe. You never see a new boot.
Backside, I will buy a new boot.
When you're enough.
So no more no, so no more no.
Shoes and in
But make sure
and
sit
clean
here
up your
first.
foot and something.
Oh, backside.
And a new shoe.
So my powder for wash off first.
What
You
you
see
done
it
later?
foot. That's what foot.
I dry, want some lotion pan it.
No,
Oh,
those
gosh.
are make your foot cheesy.
That's why I'm gonna use lotion.
Let's not lotion down this side.
It's a Vaseline put pan it.
Rochelle, just go and maintain a shoe and top color George.
Wash your foot and put it.
Yes, mister.
Oh, backside. May I tell you, brother? Pumpkin patty tastes way better than Nick Snacks fuckery.
The patty tastes better?
What kind of patty that you say I get?
This is a Nick Snacks patty. Come like no meat you could have because patty flat. I'm like no meat there in the brother.
Oh, you say you buy a vegetarian patty that's in there? Or regular patty?
Yeah, regular Nick Snacks patty. The pumpkin patty fatter than this brother.
From it now?
No, from the vegetarian place.
Oh.
You know follow me man.
We just have to follow you know, me think a pumpkin patty that you eat.
What's up? May I try to eat this but can't eat this after. Tastes like shit. Fucking shit.